Okay, we're going to be starting this compressor, this high pressure compressor, from zero. We've opened up all the valves between the different sections of the unit, different stages of the unit, and all the drains. So everything is in zero right now. To start the engine, we've got the main control switch. Start that, turn that to on. We have the ignition switch, turn that to on. We're going to pull the choke. And we have to push this engine override button. That's the protection for the compressor, and it has an interlock. So between the engine, it'll stop the engine automatically. But we have to bypass that to start. So we're going to press that, and now we can start. We'll pull it to half throttle.
Yeah.